Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Best gaming phone $1,299. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. Update: the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has basically superseded the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But if you want to ponder over which one to buy, check out our head-to-head comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, from $1,299, is still the phone to get if you want a handset with a stylus, especially since Samsung has confirmed that a Galaxy Note 21 isn't happening. So, is the Note 20 Ultra worth the ultra-premium price? After thoroughly testing this big-screen phone, my previous answer was yes. However, most should wait for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is rumored to include a built-in stylus and could be a proper replacement for the Galaxy Note. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra boasts a huge 6.9-inch display with a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, a sharp 108MP camera with laser autofocus and a more responsive S Pen. The regular Galaxy Note 20 is the better option for those who can live without a 120Hz display and in more advanced cameras. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the better phone overall, as it offers more advanced cameras and a faster Snapdragon 888 chip. And the newer Galaxy S22 Ultra launch is tipped for February. However, as you'll see in my full Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review, this is an excellent device. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review, release date and price. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra had a release date of August 21, 2020, and is available through all of the major carriers. The 128GB version of the Galaxy Note 20 costs $1,299. The 512GB version costs $1,449, the same price Samsung charges for its Galaxy Z Flip 5G foldable phone. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review, design. Samsung has made its most elegant-looking phone yet with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The squared-off edges combined with the sophisticated Mystic bronze color give this handset a corner office vibe. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review, S Pen. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra benefits from a swift 9 milliseconds response time for its S Pen, which is designed to deliver more of a pen-to-paper feel when taking notes or drawing. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra review, performance. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is one of the fastest Android phones around, as it's one of the first handsets with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. This chipset boosts the clock speed by 10% up to 3.1 GHz, and the graphics is also 10 than the regular Snapdragon 865 chip inside the Galaxy S20. This processor is paired with 12GB of RAM and either 128GB or 512GB of internal storage. For $1,299, I wish the Ultra started with 256GB of storage, but at least you can expand it via microSD card slot by up to 1 TB. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra battery life. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra packs a pretty beefy 4,500 mAh battery, which held up well in daily use. After unplugging at 9 AM, I used the Note 20 Ultra with a wide range of apps. I watched over an hour of Umbrella Academy on Netflix, streamed Spotify with the screen on for an hour and a half, and played about 40 minutes of Fortnite. I also used Twitter for nearly an hour, surfed the web and checked email. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra specs. Price, $1,299. OS, Android 10 with One UI 2.0. Display, 6.9-inch AMOLED, QHD, 120Hz. CPU, Snapdragon 865 Plus. RAM, 12GB. Storage, 128GB, 512GB. Rear camera, 108MP wide, f/1.8, 12MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, f/3.0, 12MP ultra wide, f/2.2. Front camera, 10MP, f/2.2. Battery, 4,500 mAh. Battery life, 10 hours 26 minutes, 759, 120 Hz mode. Colors, Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, Mystic White. Size, 6.48 by 3.04 by 0.32 inches. Weight, 7.33 ounces.